One disadvantage of fitting automatic drive to a clock is that it no longer receives the regular attention and consequent adjustment that it once did. This results in cumulative time errors and gives the impression that the automatic winding has caused the clock to be less accurate. This is where a pendulum regulator is ideal. This magnetic regulator works very simply by the effect of an electric coil on a magnet fixed to the pendulum rod. Signals to the coil change the pendulum's period. This ability to change the period is used in conjunction with a small controller to keep the clock running accurately. The clock's strike time is determined by a switch attached to the bell strike lever or some other part of the strike mechanism. In the case of a non-striking clock, a switch can be attached to the minute shaft to indicate the hour position. The correct time is provided by the radio time signal, which is received by this small box mounted near to the clock. The clock's time and the correct radio time are compared every hour, and the coil energized to adjust the timekeeping when necessary. Installation is straightforward. The strike sensing switch is supported by a simple fixing clamp and is operated by a small magnet stuck on the strike mechanism. The pendulum magnet is attached to the pendulum rod with cable ties, and the regulator coil can be easily positioned using the clamps and brackets supplied with the kit. The control box can be fitted on or near the clock. Typical installation time would be about 2 hours. There are no moving parts, so no maintenance is needed. It uses a small self-contained low-voltage power supply which is simply plugged into a standard power socket. After plugging in, the regulator sets itself to the correct time and immediately starts to control the clock.